Sabi ko kay Senator Robin na napakaganda nung concern nyo. The indigenous people are blessed to have a supporter like you, pero the agency has to do their job because we cannot invent these figures if wala namang pinopropose. They did not do it in a timely manner, Mr. President. So I suggested to His Honor, pwede kayong mag-submit ng amendment because I'm sure the chairman will accommodate a very reasonable request such as that, Mr. President.
Andito na po tayo eh. Ito nga po, pinag-uusapan nga po kanina, sinabi nga po, nagkakaroon na nga po tayo ng mga malawakang pagpapalit at pagpapaganda ng sistema ng paggawa ng budget. Bakit hindi pa po natin to talakayin ngayon na?
Welcome back to Master Kalog, and don't forget to subscribe and click notification bell for more updates.
Pinunong Mayorya, meron lang po akong katanungan sa ating kaibigan, Senator Bill Gatchalian. Opo. Kanina po kasi ang usapan ay salitang English. Mas mainam po Tagalogin ko. Opo, at maintindihan po ng ating mga kababayan sapagkat yung akin pong imumungkahi at itatanong ay patungkol po sa ating mga katutubo at sa mga kamusliman. Una po, napag-usapan po dun sa interpelasyon na sumang-ayon po ang ating mga kasama po si Senator Mig Zubiri patungkol po dun sa Sharia Court na inyo pong susuportahan. Gusto ko lang po malaman kung kasama po ba yun dito sa committee report po ninyo?
Wala po. Dahil in committee report na una ho yun doon sa plenary debates.
Yun po ang tinatanong din ng ating mga kasama. Pati po yung napag-usapan po doon sa pagpapatitulo ng mga ancestral domain. Wala din po.
Wala rin po.
Ano pong ibig sabihin ng aking kaibigan? Bali, ito po'y magiging individual amendment po ito. Ibig
Tama
sabihin.
Po.
So, pwede pong mangyari na hindi po ito ma-approve.
Depende ho sa fiscal space at kung kaya po ng budget.
Gusto ko lamang po malaman po ninyo na inaasahan na po ito ng ating mga kababayan na Muslim. Ito po yung na-approvean na natin, batas na po ito. Inaasahan po ang Sharia Court. Ganun din po ang mga katutubo na hanggang sa panahon na nandito po sa interpelasyon ni Senator Loren Legarda na sinuportahan po ng ibang senadora katulad po ni Senator Risa Ontiveros na ang pagmimina, ang pagsasamantala po sa ancestral domain ng mga katutubo, nangyayari po yan dahil wala po silang mga titulo. At nangyayari po ang mga rebelyon dahil hindi po alam ng mga Muslim kung saan sila tatakbo dahil ang Sharia Court po ay nasa 2 lugar lang. Maraming salamat po.
Ako po personally sinusuportahan ko yung mungkahi ni Senator Robin at yan ay pwede maging parte po ng individual amendments po natin.
Salamat po.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you. Majority Leader. Senator Kiko Pangilinan is recognized.
Yes, dadagdagan ko lang yung puntong nabanggit ni Senator Gatchalian at bilang pagsagot sa katanungan ni Senator Padilla bilang subcommittee chairman ng subcommittee J. Tayo po ang tumalakay sa judiciary budget at buong tinanong ni Ginoong ni Senador Robin Hood Padilla yung usapin po ng dagdag na budget para sa Sharia. Tayo rin po ay sinusuportahan yung pagdagdag nung nasabing pondo. For the record.
Thank you. Majority Leader. Senator Pia Cayetano is recognized.
Mr. President, I share the concern of Senator Padilla, but this is the reality of lawmaking, including the budget process. Because I handle the budget of NCIP, when the good senator brought to our attention the concerns of the indigenous people na wala ngang mga titulo at matagal na nga daw niyang sinusuportahan yon, tinignan ko yung record. Yung mismong NCIP, hindi naman nag-submit ng kanilang budget proposal na magdagdag ng pondo para doon. So, paano ko naman gagawin yun na wala man lang submission coming from the agency? At sinabi natin to on record during the plenary debate. So sabi ko kay Senator Robin na napakaganda ng concern nyo. The indigenous people are blessed to have a supporter like you. Pero the agency has to do their job because we cannot invent these figures if wala namang pinopropose. They did not do it in a timely manner, Mr. President. So I suggested to His Honor, pwede kayong mag-submit ng amendment because I'm sure the chairman will accommodate a very reasonable request such as that, Mr. President. So for the record,
Senator Padilla.
Opo, maraming salamat po. Napakaganda pong mungkahi. Ang akin lamang pong pinapaliwanag, tayo po ay nandirito na. At tayo po ay nakapakinig po sa nangyaring interpelasyon na ginawa po ni Senator Loren Ligarda na patungkol po sa patuloy na pagsira ng kalikasan at ginagamit po ang mga lupa ng ating mga katutubo. Kaya po ako nakiusap na kung gusto po nating maresolba itong kaguluhan na ito at ito pa po ang dahilan ngayon kung bakit nagkakaroon pa ng mga recruitment po uli ng mga rebelde dahil po dito sa pagsisimula uli ng pagsasamantala sa mga lupa po ng ating mga katutubo. Andito na po tayo eh. Ito nga po, pinag-uusapan nga po kanina, sinabi nga po, nagkakaroon na nga po tayo ng mga malawakang pagpapalit at pagpapaganda ng sistema ng paggawa ng budget. Bakit hindi pa po natin to talakayin ngayon na? Bakit pa po natin kailangan ito padaanin pa sa kung saang butas ng karayom? Ang inyo pong mga kapatid ng katutubo ay naghihikahus na sa sobrang pagsasamantala sa kanila. Yun lamang po naman. Maraming salamat po, Ginoong Pangulo.
To the GAB.
Yes, tama.
Yes. So what we're talking about here today, the committee amendments, is the amendments to the committee report.
Yung amendments po to the committee report will come in the form of individual amendments.
Yes, so I'm
Yes.
clarifying, so there is no committee
Wala po.
amendment.
Wala po. Kasi
Yes, so-
yung,
so
yung committee report po is the committee
Yes.
amendments.
So if there's no committee amendments, that means that none of our interpellation hit the spot. Because if many of the vice chairman, even the chairman, when we were so kung walang committee amendments ngayon,
The amend-
that means we went through the process, the 11 days, but we weren't really talking about it. And there was no committee meeting to discuss nga na walang committee
Actually po,
amendments.
ang process, the committee report is the committee amendments. Kasi in-amend ho ng committee yung General Appropriations Bill. So any succeeding amendments will come in the form of individual amendments.
Let me correct that, Mr. President, and you correct me if I'm wrong, no? In local bills regarding taxes and appropriation bills, we have to wait for the House of Representatives. So based on their committee hearings, in this case briefing para hindi tayo mahuli, you submit a committee report. But when you submit the committee report, may period of interpellation. After the period of interpellation, period of amendments. So dun sa period of amendments, meron pong committee amendments. Kung we have the Senate version, so hindi nyo ina-amend yung sa House. Kasi Senate version kaagad eh. So yes, you're correct that this summary here amended the House version, the GAB. But it did not amend your committee report. Because, Mr. President, we agreed several individual meetings. You had caucus to not only rules and regulations of DNR, but because of going against nature. If you look at DPWH from 880, naging 624 sa House, binawasan pa natin ng 55, when all the economists are telling us that yung fastest at best sa ating ekonomiya ay infrastructure. If you look at DSWD, I admire you na kahit ito'y departamento ng kapatid mo, turn and on, Mr. President. But if we're going to say full transparency at eto na yung committee work, wouldn't it be fair that malaman natin? Kasi like ako, ni isa dito, wala akong amendment. Ni isa dito. But I'm a member of all the committees and subcommittee. But no one ever, I was invited to all the briefings, but I was never invited to make the amendments here. So I was thinking, may committee amendments ngayon, and then we can discuss it and vote on it. Diba?
Actually, ang nangyari pong process ay because this is a revenue measure, so it emanated from the lower house. At nagkaroon ho tayo ng mga budget briefings, and then nagpadala ho tayo ng notice to everyone in writing that a technical working group will be formed. And may mga senators nagpadala ng mga amendments sila. Yung mga staff rin ng mga senators were also there para mag-share nung kanilang mga inputs kung gusto nilang mag-amend. And then at the same time, the Vice Chairman also submitted their committee reports, yung subcommittee reports. So all of those kinonsolidate through a committee report. Since this is a revenue measure, all amendments by the committee will come in the form of the committee report. So the succeeding, ito pong ginawa natin naman sa plenary, kung meron pang mga iba pang amendments, it will come in the form of individual amendments.
Let me clarify, Mr. President. It's an appropriation bill.
Yes.
So,
Sorry, it's an
yes.
appropriation bill.
So
Sorry.
the same, kasi chairman ka rin ng
Oh,
Ways and
Ways and
Means.
Means,
So
oh.
the same process,
Tama,
Mr.
tama.
Chairman.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's
But the thing
an
is,
appropriations bill.
you're talking about the amendment from the GAP, not the amendment from the committee report. And if so be it, kung yun po ang pleasure ng majority at yun ang proseso. But 'di ba, sabi nga po, you cannot be half a gangster. You're either a gangster or not, 'di ba?
Kaugnay sa mga impormasyon na inyong nalaman at sa mga issue na kaakibat nito, mahalaga ang inyong opinion at katwiran. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching.